Beautiful websites need beautiful images, but if they take forever to load, it kind of ruins the point. It doesn't matter how much time you spend perfecting the layout in Figma, refining the user experience and design, or polishing every call to action. If a site is slow, people leave and don't come back. If images are dragging down your site, 3 things need to happen. They need to be compressed, they need to be served in the right format, and you need them to load at the right time. You're probably thinking, great, that sounds like a lot of work, and it'll take forever to fix. But the truth is, you can automate all of those things and save yourself a ton of time. Here's how. Let's start with compression. A lot of images are simply larger than they need to be. That means longer load times, more strain on mobile connections, and a worse experience for your visitors. You can compress images manually in design tools like Adobe Photoshop, but if you have to do that over and over, download the image, add it to Photoshop, compress, download, and re-upload to WordPress, it gets old fast. Imagify is a much easier option. It takes a lot of this work off your plate. It can automatically optimize images when you upload them, compress images in bulk from your media library, resize overly large uploads, and convert them to next-gen formats like WebP and AVIF. And it does all of this without ruining your image quality. All right, next up, format. Do you still listen to cassette tapes or even CDs? Probably not. It's time to move to more modern image formats too. Newer formats like WebP and AVIF can deliver smaller file sizes while keeping strong visual quality. So should you download and reformat all of your old JPEGs? What if you have hundreds of images? That's where Imagify comes to the rescue again. Not only can it compress images, it also converts file formats inside of your WordPress site. Imagify handles this on a bulk scale, in the background, and automatically. What more could you want? You'll have lightweight, faster loading images that don't slow down your site, and you'll get it without any manual file conversion. It's one of the quickest ways to make an existing WordPress site lighter. Third, delivery. Even perfectly optimized images can still slow down a page if the browser tries to load everything at once. That's where smart loading and lazy loading can be a huge help. Lazy loading is an optimization strategy that delays the loading of off-screen images so visible images appear first. It effectively prioritizes important above-the-fold content. That ensures hero images, featured products, and other visuals at the top of a page appear as quickly as possible. WP Rocket is the performance plugin that makes it easy to use lazy loading on your website. Instead of manually editing code, adding code to images below the fold, you can enable lazy loading by simply checking a few boxes. You can use lazy loading with your main images, CSS backgrounds, videos, and even iframes for embedded content. To make your site run even faster, WP Rocket does a lot more behind the scenes. It also improves overall page performance with caching and gzip compression, as well as CSS and JavaScript optimization, and so much more. So, while Imagify focuses on making the image files themselves lighter and more efficient, WP Rocket helps the whole page deliver those assets more quickly for visitors. That is why the two tools work so well together. The 1-2 combination improves the user experience, supports better performance scores, reduces friction for visitors, and makes a site feel more trustworthy. And this matters a lot because faster sites don't just score better, they rank higher, get more traffic and AI visibility, and convert better too. So, if your site looks amazing but still feels slow, it's time to consider WP Rocket and Imagify. See the description for links to both tools and get on your way to a faster site in the next 5 minutes. And don't forget to give me a quick thumbs up and subscribe for free to help out the channel. I'll see you next time.